How to insert logo in Capcut. So here is a step-by-step guide to insert a logo in Capcut using your mobile device. First of all, launch the Capcut app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your Capcut account. Now, once inside the Capcut, all you have to do is tap on New Project or select the project you are already working on. So here I am simply tapping on the project that I have already worked on for an example. So once you create a project, then all you have to do is tap on the overlay option available at the bottom. You can simply see there is overlay. Tap on the add overlay. Now from your photos gallery, look for the logo you want to insert and tap on it. Now once there, all you have to do is select the logo size. You can simply pinch with two fingers to resize the logo and drag it to the position it in a corner, example bottom right for a watermark look, or anywhere according to your preferences. Then all you have to do is drag the end of the logo to match the length of the video or adjust it as needed. And that is it. Now you can export your video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.